Hey guys, this is Chuck from Next Home Realty Solutions. Today I'm at 6332 Spartan Drive. Nice house. As you get close to the house, notice the front is very nice. And we're about to go inside. Notice the very tall ceilings in the entryway have an office on the left. And now we go to the living room. This is a very large living room, open concept into the kitchen, what everybody dreams of. And then we have another view of the kitchen. And here's the master bath with a soaking tub and a stand-up shower. Very nice. Best of all is the view from the backyard. Look at this lake. So come join us at 6332 Spartan Drive in the Southern Pointe subdivision. This 1,923 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bath house is a dream. This is Chuck from Next Home Realty. Come see us.